Hi guys, we have unplanned visit in Fresno. Dahil may sakit po ang Kuya Sean, kaya pinuntahan namin siya sa hospital at nakakatuwa naman po dahil maraming nurse, Filipino nurse ang nag-alaga sa kanya. At yan po, he spent the night in the hospital at ngayon ay pauwi na kami. Maraming salamat po Nurse Eric sa pag-alaga mo sa aking anak.
What are you doing, Kuya? Java edition. There are two different versions.
Can you play the dial? Every time I sprint, I don't see my mini self.
Meet Kuya Sean's dog. Sit. Buko, Paya. Come here. Sit. Oh, you still remember. Buko. Buko. Sit, Buko. Oh, what a good boy. You're never age. Abo is aging. Huh? And you too, Paya. Hi, Paya. Hi, Paya. Hi, Papaya.
Says.
$1. Okay. Wow. What is this? Camellia. We have that at home. Some kagauchi. Let's go here. Princess Persimmon, Nina. Nina, do not touch it.
So you princess,
Do not touch it. Japanese maple.
Japanese maple.
No, I can't.
I love this. Purple flowers. Ours is not this like this full bloom though.
Masaya ang nanay nila dahil kumpleto na naman kami ng aking mga anak. Ayun lang po, maraming salamat!